Welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 7, Exercise. Start with exercise number 1 to complete. He gives us the value of x equal 2 and x equal 5. Now, we have two expressions, expression number 1 and expression number 2. Okay? Second expression. Okay, expression number 1, expression number 2. We need to know if these two expressions are equivalent or not. If these two expressions are equivalent or not, and we write the result here. Start with expression number 1 and substitute x equal 2. So 3x minus 5. 3x, that's mean 3 by x minus 5, right? Okay, 3 by x minus 5, we remove x and put 2, so it's equal 3 by x 2 minus 5. Start with multiply. 3 by 2 equals 6 minus 5, it's equal 1. Okay, next expression, 3 by parentheses x plus 1 minus 6, remove x and put 2, so it's equal 3 by 2 plus 1, okay, minus 6. Start with parentheses. 3 parentheses is 3 by parentheses result 2 plus 1 equal 3 minus 6. Start with multiply. 3 by 3 equal 9 minus 6 equal what? Equal 3. Now we have two different results, 1 not equal to 3, so these two expressions are not equivalent. Have the same value or not? No, so it's not equivalent. Okay, B, x, if x equal 5, if x equal 5, remove x and put 5. First expression here, 10 plus 2 pi x equal 5 minus 1. Now it's equal, start with parentheses, 10 plus 2 parentheses, that means 2 pi, parentheses result 5 minus 1 equal 4. So it's equal, start with multiply. 10 plus what? Plus 8. 2 by 4 equal 8. Now 10 plus 8 equal 18. So the next expression, 2x by 8. 2x plus 8. 2x, that's mean 2 by x. X equal what? Equal 5. Plus 8. Start with multiply. 2 by 5 equal 10. Plus 8, that's equal 18. Now you find that it's the same result, so have the same value or not? Yes. So these two expressions are not equivalent each other. These two expressions are equivalent to each other. Question number 2. Evaluate if the following expression using two positive integer. Okay, you will put two values of x, okay, of your choosing. You will put two value of x and find out if they are equivalent or not. Okay, first I will put x equal 2 and maybe equal 3. From you choose. Okay, now the first expression and the second expression. Here we have x plus 2x. That's mean x plus 2 by x. Okay, x equal 2 plus 2 pi x 2. Now start with multiply. 2 plus what? Plus 4 equal 6. The first expression give us 6 when I substitute x equal 2. The next expression, 2 pi is the parentheses, so remove x and put 2. Put 2. 2 plus 2. Start with what? Start with parentheses. 2 plus 2 equal 4. So 2 pi 4 equal 8. Now, is it equal each other? No. So these two expressions, when I substitute x equal 2, it's not equivalent each other. Now, substitute x equal what? Equal 3. So remove x and put 3. First x equal 3 plus 2 pi x, that means 2 pi what? 2 pi 3. Start with multiplication. 3 plus what? 2 pi 3 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equal 9. The next one, 2 pi x plus 2 will be 3 plus 2. Start with parentheses. 2 parentheses, that means 2 pi is the parentheses result. 3 plus 2 equal 5. So 2 pi 5 equal 10. Now we have different results here. So no, it's not equal each other, and this expression are not equivalent to each other. Question number 3. Evaluate if this expression using two different positive integers. Using two different, use two different positive integer, of your choosing. You choose any two integer or positive integer. Then if the expression are equal, answer yes. If they are not equal, answer no. The same idea. If x equal, I will put x equal 1 and equal 2. The first expression, remove x and put 1. 2x, that means 2 by x. X equal 1 plus 1. That's equal. Start with the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have plus and multiply. Start with what? Multiply. 2 pi 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. So will be 3 pi 3. That's equal 9. 6x plus 3. 6x, that means 6 pi x. X equal 1 plus 3. Start with multiply. That's equal 6. 6 plus 3 equal 9. Now we have the same result here. So write yes. That means these two expressions, when I substitute x equal 1, it's equivalent. But when we from the first trial, I'm not sure if they are equivalent or not. Go to the second trial, then decide if they are equivalent each other or not. When x equal 2, just remove x. 2x, 2 pi x, x equal 2 plus 1. Do the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have plus and times. Start with times. 2 pi 2 equal 4 plus 1. Parentheses will give us what? 5. That's mean 15. Next expression, 6x, 6 pi x, x equal 2 plus 3. That means 6 pi 2 equal 12 plus 3. That means 15. Now from the two trials, second trial, we will get yes, it's equal to each other. Now from the first trial and the second trial, it's give us the same result. That means they are equivalent each other. Question number 4. Are they equivalent or not? Examine these two expressions. Look 4 carefully. Okay, two expression and determine, say whether they are equal or not. If so, consider whether they are always equal from the first trial and second trial. Complete each task. Use positive integer values for x. Now we have two expressions. Okay, point 1, try to find a value for x that will make this expression equal. Now look carefully about these two expressions, 3 pi x plus 1 and 2x plus x plus 3. I can make it simply, or to simplify these two expressions first. What is the mean of 3 by parenthesis x plus 1? That means 3 pi x plus 3 pi 1. Now I can write this expression as 3 pi x, that means 3x, plus 3 pi 1, that means 3. Here I can see that 2x plus x equal what? This part, 2x plus x will give me 3x plus 3. That's easy. Look here, we got the same expression, but here I can not find out that are they equal each other or not. Okay, so point A, he asks us about the value of x will make this expression equal. It's any value will make them equal. Now B, try to find a value of x that will make the expression not equal. No, there is no value will make these two expressions not equal because it's the same expression. Point C, decide if these two expressions are always equal. Yes, they are always equal. And if they should be considered equivalent expression, of course it's the same expression. Of course they are equivalent each other. Okay, are they equivalent? Examine these two expressions and determine if they are equal or not. Use what? Use x 0, 1 and 2. Okay, and what? 3. Now we have two expressions. Okay, this is simplest form, but here I can multiply them. 2x, 2 pi x and plus 2 pi 1. 2 pi x, it means 2x, plus 2 pi 1 is equal to. Now look here and here. Okay, 2x and 2x, it's okay, but here plus 1 and plus 2. From the first look I can say that they are not equal to each other, so they are not equivalent to each other. But try to find a value of x that will make this expression equal. No, there is no value that will make this expression are equal. Now find if x for x makes this not equal. Any value will make this expression not equal. Any number I will use will be not equal each other. Now decide if these two expressions are always equal. No. If they should consider as equivalent. Of course, no. Now, if the two algebraic expression, first one and the second one, are equivalent, he said if, maybe, find the value of the second expression. Find the value. Find what? Find the value. It's number. For x equal 10. In least number of step. Now, he said that these two expressions are what? Are equivalent. That means it's equal each other. Right? If he need us to find the value of the second one when x equal 10, may I work from, I know that 2x plus 1, the first, is equal to x plus 5 plus 3 by 2x plus 1 minus 5x minus 7, right? This is equal each other. He said that they are equivalent, right? Now, if I substitute x equal 10 here, I will get the same value. So, what is easy to me? To use this one or this one? Of course, to use this, because it's simple. Okay, so to find the value of this expression, okay, I will use this one because it's equal each other. Now, to find the value of the second expression when x equal 10, I will use this value, this expression. Okay, at x equal 10, remove x, 2 pi x, 2 pi 10, okay, plus 1. 2 pi 10 first equal 20, plus 1 equal 21. Now, I found that the value of this expression equal what? Equal 21. That means this expression also equal 21 because they are equivalent, and this is the least number of steps. That's right. Okay, I wish you got the idea. Check if the expression each pair are equivalent or not. I need to know if they are equivalent or not. Okay, use values for x from your own. You choose any number if it's necessary for each pair of expression. Now we have the first one and the second one. Okay, I will put 2x from my own. Choose the easy number like 1 and 2. Okay, now substitute x equal 1 here and here. Okay, x plus 5 at x equal 1. Okay, I will get what? X plus 5, that's mean 1 plus 5, right? Equal 6. Now, the second one, 3 pi x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1. Okay, remove any x and put 1. 3 here, put 1 here, 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. So 3 parentheses, that means pi. 1 plus 2 will be 3. Minus 2 pi 1. 2 pi 1. Okay, 1 from here. 2 pi 1 equal 2. Minus 1. Start with multiply. 3 pi 3 equal what? Equal 9. 9 minus 2, 7 minus 1 equal 6. Now we got 6 from the two expression when I substitute x equal 1. Okay, that's the first trial. Try x equal 2. X plus 5 at x equal 2 will be, to remove x and put 2. 2 plus 5 will give me 7. The second one, 3 x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1. Remove x, okay, and put what? And put, remove x and put 2 and 2. Okay, now I got 3 pi. 2 plus 2 will be 4, minus 2 pi 2 will be 4, minus 1. Now start with multiply. 3 pi 4 will be what? 12, minus 4 minus 1. Start from left to right. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Now I can see that from the first trial I got the same result from two expressions. For x equal 2, second trial, I got the same result from the two expressions. In this case, I can decide that these two expressions are equivalent expression. Okay? Okay. We'll do the same thing to the second two expression. We have the first expression and second expression. Okay? At what? First, at x equal 1. At x equal 1. Okay? The first expression, 3x plus 2, will give us, remove x and put what? And put 1. So 3 pi x is 3 pi 1 plus 2. Start with multiply. 3 pi 1 equal 3 plus 2 will be 5. At x equal 1 also, but the second expression, 3 pi x plus 2, remove x and put what? And put 1. 3 pi 1 plus 2, two first parentheses, 3 pi. The parentheses result, 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 pi 3, it's equal 9. From the first trial, I find that it's not the same result, not equal. So I can say that these two expressions are not equivalent. But to be sure, use the second trial when x equal 2, the first expression, remove x and put 2. So 3x is 3 pi 2 plus 2. Start with multiply. 3 pi x equal 6. 3 pi 2 equal x equal 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. Okay. The second expression, substitute x equal what? Equal 2. So 3 pi 2 plus 2. Start with the parentheses. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Now we have 3 pi 4. That's equal 12. Yes, the second trial gave us two different value. That's mean from the first trial and the second trial, we know sure now that these two expressions, that one, this is and this, are not equivalent to each other. Okay, now we reach to end of lesson 7, unit 3 exercise. Our next appointment or video will be unit 3 assessment. so we can revise our unit from the assessment, and we will solve this assessment with each other. And I wish you good time, and thank you. Goodbye.